On March 4th, 2025, Broward County deputies responded to Fort Lauderdale Airport after battery reports on an incoming flight. A passenger threw water and a bottle at others. The investigation escalated into physical confrontation during terminal detention.
Yes. Thank you. So then she ended up to escalate on her own. She threw water on the passenger that was in the accident. They turned around, threw a bottle out of all to the talking. These two gentlemen having a conversation.
Was this
in the air? Yeah. So she would not cooperate. So now this gentleman here are going to come on and talk to you. They want to press charges against her. So do you? I don't know her name or nothing. So when she comes up here, do I just have her to step aside?
Just give us 1 sec. Just hang out 1 second. I got 2 more coming. I'm on camera, so you know. The day attorney's coming. You know, it was up in the air. It's fence. We get detained, but as far as the charges and everything, that goes to the fence. So he's gonna be taking primary.
Or let me call Max.
Yeah.
All right. Good stuff.
You will brief my partner here. So far, in the air, a woman, for whatever reason, causing disturbance, threw water on several passengers, several of whom want to press charges now. I advised the air marshal there that that's what's up in the air that's fed, unless we get any more information that I don't know about. There are 2 alleged victims, or at least one right here waiting to talk to us. That's what we got. And the female's still on the front. Come on.
Are they related?
Are they involved? Okay.
Did they tell you to leave the deplane?
No, they're deplaned first.
Okay.
So you can take them off the temporary.
Okay.
Everybody else.
Perfect.
Let's take them to the hall.
Yeah, where's the...
Keep walking.
Hold up.
What about? Don't touch me, sir. What's wrong with you?
Stop.
Don't touch me. I'm not.
Stop.
Don't touch
You're
me.
being detained.
I'm
Stop.
not being detained
Stop.
for
You are.
shit. No,
You are.
no, I'm not.
An air marshal reported a woman threw water on passengers while airborne. Under Florida Statute 784.0-3, battery is intentionally striking another against their will. Deputies had reasonable suspicion for detention. Deputies approached with legal authority under Terry v. Ohio. Multiple battery reports met reasonable suspicion threshold for investigative detention and victim interviews.
I just got off a flight. What the f*** are you detained for? Why are you grabbing me like this?
I got it.
I'm not even moving. I'm not even moving.
Stop.
Resistance.
Stop, ma'am.
I'm not even moving.
Okay. Let them put handcuffs on
I'm
you.
not moving. I'm literally not moving. Why are you pulling my arm so hard?
What state you from?
I said stop several times, ma'am. You're not complying. You need to comply.
Back
up.
Get back or you go too.
That has nothing to do with somewhere. Did you grab me like you stupid? Stupid ass crap. What the f*** you grabbing me like that for? I'm not even moving. You have me in handcuffs. Why are you still holding me? Then you put the handcuffs tighter than my pants on my arm. Give me my shoes. Give me my uniform.
Yeah,
Now
because you
put
tricked
your
me.
hands on what
Because you tricked me.
I tripped you? You're literally standing on my clothes and you're telling me I tripped you? You're throwing me into the... Why are you throwing me?
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Sit. All right.
Sit down.
To the wall. And you're doing all of this, telling me I tripped you.
Sit down.
Hands up. How the f*** am I gonna trip you?
Please.
He's slamming me into the wall.
Gentlemen.
I didn't do
Gentlemen.
anything.
Gentlemen.
I just got home.
Yeah.
What these
Let's go over here.
Mark.
Come on over here. Here, come back here.
Why did you just do that?
So, what happened?
So basically, we were having a conversation.
This is the person that...
Yeah.
Okay.
We were having a conversation within the flight, and she turned around and said, "You're bothering us with your conversation."
Okay.
We were speaking Spanish,
Okay.
which may have nothing to do with it, but she got really aggressive to the point where she turned around and threw a water Coke bottle in my face.
She threw it.
Coke
the
bottle.
liquid or the bottle itself?
The bottle.
An empty bottle.
An empty bottle.
It didn't
And-
do much damage. I gotta get that.
Okay, but did it hit you?
Yeah, it did.
Right in my face.
Right in your face?
Right in my face.
Like a plastic bottle or,
Yeah,
or
right.
aluminum or?
As soon as
Plastic bottle.
As soon as I hit my face, he said like, let it go, just let it go. But I can't. So I got up and I went to the attendant and I told her what happened, and she offered to maybe change her of seats or change us of seats, depending on her convenience really.
Okay.
And so we changed seats.
Okay.
And that's basically it. But she threw a word about it in my face, and because she didn't like our conversation.
Okay.
That was basically it.
All right. Did you get hit with any of that?
I didn't know that he did.
Okay. And was this up in the air or was this on the
In the
ground?
air.
In the air. Was there any further altercation on the ground?
No.
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 We were just having a chat, and
Yeah,
out of the blue, she said, "Shut up."
Okay.
So we're business partners. So we're talking about business.
Okay.
And as she just turned around, threw the water bottle, it flew into my face. As soon as that happened,
The actual bottle or just the liquid?
the actual bottle.
And hit you in the face.
As soon as that happened, I got up and talked to the stewardess and told her what happened.
Okay.
And I asked to either
I'll give it to you.
change
I'll give it to you. You'll get it.
Listen,
This is the person that we need to talk to.
You'll get earnings. You'll get earnings. It's fine. It's right here. It's fine. Give me it.
Everything is good. Talk about it. Relax, y'all. Y'all
We
chill.
tried. We tried.
Oh man.
y'all get the officer's badge number?
Yeah.
7573.
Magic.
Which one of y'all? No, that's all I need. I got it.
All right. Okay. All right. He might be downstairs, dude. His car might be downstairs. Dave, let me check. You want to fix it?
I'm trying to make you as comfortable as possible, but you gotta relax, okay? You're getting yourself amped up. No, listen. Bend forward. Relax, okay? Come on,
When deputies made contact, the subject resisted by pulling away. Under Florida Statute 843.0-2, physical resistance during lawful detention constitutes resisting an officer without violence. Her continued resistance created criminal conduct. Active resistance prevented handcuffing. Deputies escalated from soft to hard empty hand control following standard principles. Footage contradicts her claims, showing her actively pulling away and preventing handcuffing. Deputies moved her to a seating area. Commands to sit down show de-escalation attempts. Handcuff application was legally justified and tactically sound. Once seated and handcuffed, physical resistance stopped. The subject was secured for safe holding while deputies interviewed victims.
Folks. No. Somewhere else, please. Somewhere else, please. Thank you. All right. She's under arrest, yeah.
For Charlie 7?
Well, yeah. So the stuff that happened up in the air is one thing, but then she obstructed. She resisted on the ground, so. There's victims, they want to press charges.
Are they over there?
They are over there.
Okay. You mean here? He's gonna reach out.
No, we're good here. We're just waiting for the keys. He's bringing the keys. Sarge, yeah.
Why do I have to go in the back of the car?
Instead of them like trying to find some ways to solve it, they
How
didn't
far
even
away
come
were you
to
sitting
it.
from?
They were right behind me.
Okay, when you say they, who's they?
Both of the guys.
Both those two guys.
Yes.
Okay.
Right behind me. And guess
Okay.
what? They speak English. I didn't even know that. You know what they telling me? In English, they talk among each other to poke me for me to turn around and say something. They was like, oh, shut up. Or you be quiet. And speaking in Spanish louder. And you know how Spanish sound? Imagine how Spanish sound. I'm not knocking. I love Spanish.
I'm just saying. I'm South Florida.
Look, I go más mito. I know Spanish a little bit, but
and we on the plane, you're not even being mindful, like I said. As we in the plane, it's already blocking my ears.
Right.
I gotta hear you. Like I said, I'm not saying to shut up completely.
Right.
Because everybody else on the plane talking, but you barely hear them.
So they didn't put their hands on nobody. You didn't put your hands on nobody. Nobody threw anything. There wasn't water getting splashed around or anything stupid like that.
I just know I had a ball in my hand, got aggravated. I probably just threw it in the air. I don't know. I just got aggravated. I didn't hit nobody.
Okay.
I didn't know. I was just like on some. Can I just like be like, you know what I'm saying, like this, like can I just like whatever.
So everybody's getting loud a little.
Because I talked to them first. I reported it. They didn't do nothing about it, and they came back to their seat and got louder and poking me. I'm trying to tell you, they blocking that part where they did. They came back to the seat and started talking louder, and this is what they said. Oh, you be quiet. They said it in English.
Right.
That part right there, you be quiet in English, and then they started speaking more in Spanish and stuff. Exactly. And mind you, she was trying to sleep. Before she got involved, she was trying to sleep, and there was another girl, the one that walked away. She's real quiet. She said she's quiet, but she can tell you herself.
Right.
They was being rude, and they just playing victim right now. I'm not knocking y'all playing victim, but stop playing victim. You started the whole thing. Like, I'm not understanding that. You on the plane, y'all pay for y'all legs to get space. I pay for a peaceful plane trip. Like, I'm not understanding that.
Okay.
Deputies interviewed victims. The first stated he was conversing in Spanish when the subject said they were bothering her. She threw a water bottle, striking his face. The second corroborated this. Both wanted charges. Under Florida law, any unwanted striking constitutes battery. The subject claimed the men spoke loudly. She asked for quiet, became aggravated, and threw a bottle. She acknowledged throwing it, corroborating victim's allegation. Her claim of not intending to hit provides no defense. Intent is satisfied if she threw it and struck someone. She claimed passengers provoked her. Verbal rudeness doesn't justify battery. Florida recognizes self-defense only with imminent physical harm belief, not annoyance. Her aggravation statement undermines defense. The deputy informed her of arrest for resisting without violence under Statute 843.0-2. Anyone resisting officer in lawful duty without violence commits first-degree misdemeanor. Her actions constitute this offense. The incident concluded with subject in custody facing resisting charge with battery pending. The 4-minute encounter raised questions about authority, resistance, and force. She was charged with resisting without violence, punishable by 1 year jail and $1,000 fine. Battery charges pending. Deputies faced no discipline. No lawsuit located. Deputies receive B+. Approach was tactically sound with appropriate force. Soft control initially, escalated when necessary. No strikes despite resistance. Maintained scene control and thorough interviews. However, initial contact was abrupt. Under Florida law and Graham versus Connor, actions were justified. Force was reasonable and proportional. Subject receives D. Physical resistance transformed stop into arrest. Obligation is compliance, not resistance. She committed resisting without violence. Throwing bottle showed poor judgment. D, not F, reflects mitigation. She ceased resistance once handcuffed and didn't escalate to violence. Victims receive A-. Didn't retaliate or escalate. Sought flight crew assistance. Waited patiently, provided clear statements. A- reflects loud conversation and consideration, though this doesn't justify battery. Let us know topics you'd like discussed. Thank you for watching. Check out Audit the Court for more content.